inquiry committee was put up.
Cabinet Minister Ampareen has asked the central government to allow qualified local communities to occupy position in the central institutes located in the state. Her statement came following month-long agitations in Nehu by students who are demanding removal of the Vice-Chancellor following alleged illegal appointments in the university, asking central government to take cognizance of the events in the institute. She hoped that the inquiry committee, which is probing into the allegations, will submit its report with strong recommendation.
To allow the local communities, particularly who are qualified, to assume positions that are best suited for the people of our state. Central government sets up these institutions in various states, not to benefit themselves, but to benefit the beneficiary state. I personally can only comment that it is important for the central government to take cognizance of this friction that has arisen. For what reasons, we have no idea. I hope that this inquiry committee has come, and I hope that the inquiry committee will go back with a strong recommendation to attend to all the observations made by the benefiting group, which is the student group.